Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. Reduces pain in the joints and that's why you need to eat chia seeds. Chia is one of the best natural seeds that have many advantages, and is also quite popular due to its incredible health properties. Almost every one of us has heard of such a seed as chia, but very few people know about its properties. That is why we will tell you how much chia is good for your health, and what properties they possess. 1. Take care of your heart. This product includes omega-3, which protects the heart from cholesterol and arterial problems. 2. Improves and strengthens bones. The seeds contain all the necessary minerals that support the health of bones. 3. Reduce pain in the joints. The omega-3 substance, which helps to remove joint pain, also helps to avoid problems such as arthritis. 4. It takes care of digestion and helps to lose weight. Fiber and antioxidants, which are part of the chia, help prevent the accumulation of fat, help to lose weight. Also, these ingredients improve the digestion process. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.